What will you do if you are stranded in a lonely island? Well, these days a lot of houses and farmlands have been flooded along China's Huaihai River because of the heavy rainfalls. And today we are going to visit one of the villages that have been surrounded by the water. And you can see there are a few boats. And every day there are people sending daily supplies to these isolated villages in the water. Here you can see there are lots of green peppers, bottled water, and noodles. We are now on a fast boat and we are going to the village. It takes about 10 minutes to get there. You can see now it's all flooded, but before the flood, underwater, it's all croplands, but now they have been destroyed. We are now passing by a village which is located on high ground. And according to statistics, there are about 77 villages like this which have been surrounded by water during this flood. We have landed on this village, and now let's go inside and take a look. So I just had a talk with the village official, and he told me that there are still about 315 people living in this village. Although now they are stranded in this village and they can't go outside, every day they still have something to keep them busy. And now let's go visit one of the families in the front. 大姐在编这个纽编是吧？嗯，是的。你今天编了几个了？今天编了几个了？2个，4、5个。Funan County is famous for its delicate wickerwork. Local people use willow twigs as raw material to weave all kinds of products, such as baskets, furniture, and home decorations. So, on average, it takes about half an hour to finish a basket like this one. And for each basket, they can make 5 yuan. On average, a person can make 20 baskets per day. That is about 100 yuan. This is your home? 是的。现在都被淹掉了。They told me that they used to live in the house over there, and they also raised about 500 chicken, ducks, and goose. But now it has been flooded, and now they have moved all the ducks, chicken to the highland. After a day's adventure, I just found that everybody in this village has something to do, and they have something to keep themselves busy. They don't seem very worried about their life. I just hope that the flood will go away as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I'm Liu Fangqiang with Xinhua News Agency, and see you next time.